Hey guys! So today I got in my Wantables for October. This is not, well, they have a subscription for $36 a month. I didn't get the subscription yet because I wanted to try the box out before I decided, hey, this is worth my money. So this box for me was $40. But the subscription is $36, and you get all full-size products. This is the lingerie box, I guess they call it. It has not been opened. So I'm going to open it on camera for you guys. And let's see what we got. I guess I should have done this before, huh? Okay, and the box just opens like this. And it says, packed especially for Morgan Laurent. So it comes with this card. We hope you enjoy your first collection. Welcome to the Wantable family. Your stylist handpicked this October collection just for you. Enjoy, Team Wantable. Okay, so that's the first thing I see. Next thing is my little packing slip where it tells me what I have in here. So let's see. First thing I see is this. Oh, I love the feel of this. Yummy Tummy. Yummy by Heather Thompson. Is this? Yes. This retails for $15. And I love the way this feels. This is just a slimming tank top. Be really tight. So I love the way that feels. That's awesome. It's like a soft spandexy material. If that's even a word, spandexy. Probably not. And this is a bandeau. And this is by Kubi Intimates. Kubi. And this retails for $16. Real cute bandeau. It's a seamless bandeau too, so I love that about it. Just nude. Great color. Next thing I see is these socks. Look how cute. How much are these? What are these? Let's see. These retail for $20, so let's see. Doesn't have it's just said checkerboard knee socks in red. So let's see. Look how cute. That is awesome. I love that. Those are cute. And the last thing I see is, oh, this, y'all, these were the colors of my wedding. I'm so excited. Sorry, that was probably my husband. This is a low-rise thong in neutral, but it's not neutral at all. It's navy blue and silver. That is so cute. I love that. I will definitely be subscribing to this box. I mean, it was well worth the money. You definitely got what you paid for. Two of these things alone retailed for $40 together. So, and then you pretty much got two things free. Full size things, everything. I mean, I love this. I will definitely recommend subscribing to this. And look down here, it has like I don't want to show my shipping address. Like little descriptions of the things you got in here. The socks say, the socks give you another reason why it's hip to be square. From Yummy Tummy, it's all this is the tank top. It's all about cool confidence with this slimming, stylish, and modern tank. It's smooth and shapes comfortably with cotton that breathes. And with no shaping panels and seams to be seen, no one will know you're shaping. And the bandeau. This comfortable bandeau is soft, seamless, and perfect under anything. And then for the thongs, it's perfect. It's the perfect low-rise, no-ride thong. Comfy jersey edge with soft 1-inch stretch lace for a cute line, no lines, perfect fit. I love this box, and I will definitely be subscribing to it every month for the lingerie. When they have a makeup one, a lingerie, and accessories. I'm not sure if this is actually called the lingerie box. Let's see. It's called the Intimates box. So I love it, and I will definitely be subscribing. They have makeup, accessories, and Intimates. I will definitely be subscribing to the Intimates and the makeup. I don't really wear too many accessories, but if you want to subscribe to all three, go right ahead. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing more of you. Bye.